back to Living Luxuriously for Less, where we celebrate, decorate, and enjoy everyday life for less. Well, it is Friday, and you guys know on Friday I always share my top 5. So today I have a treat for you. Today I'm going to be combining my Friday Fives with the Dollar Tree shopping haul, and I'm going to show you guys 5 must-have Dollar Tree items to build your inventory, and I'm going to show you exactly how to buy them. So you want to grab your notepad and grab your tennis shoes, put your earpiece on, and listen to this video on your way to the Dollar Tree, because I promise you, you are going to need these tips to build and buy your inventory. So stay tuned. Okay, you guys, so here is a new item at Dollar Tree. These are little LED hanging lights. I think these are really cute and can be used for a lot of different reasons. You could use them with a centerpiece. You could actually hang them on decor, maybe florals, or you could use them as like a, if you're gonna be like a memorial, or if you're doing like a breast cancer walk or something, saying that, lighting the way or lighting the path, or you light up my life or something like that. You could even like line them up like this and sit them like along the floor to light them up to make like a pathway. So these are really cute. This wisteria here at the Dollar Tree is also super adorable. You could use it to hang, from your centerpieces. Your centerpieces always need something to hang. So this wisteria is absolutely beautiful. Now Dollar Tree always has like motif glasses. Let me move this out of the way. Okay. But I am loving this one that says off the market. This is super cute. It's not, like, for me, this is too much, right? But this is so cute and classy. I absolutely love that. And of course, here's one that says cheers. I love that as well. And it's in the blush. These yard balloon sticks are very, very cute. The reason I like them is that you can use them to make the floating teddy bear arrangements. And they're a good size as well. They are 3 feet tall. And it's 4 in a pack. Now these are not really popular. They don't come in a lot at the Dollar Tree, and that is these bud vases. These are great for your tables. I'm actually gonna buy all of these. I think it's 8 of these here, but I'm gonna use them for an event this weekend. So you see these a lot more here. They're a little bit bigger. I don't really like how big the mouth is on them, but these right here are a rarity at the Dollar Tree. So if you see these, pick these up. These are great to accentuate your tables and not have to use as many flowers in your centerpieces. Also, these terrarium planters, I have a ton of these, but these are great from hanging from centerpieces, putting little LED tea lights in them and things like that. And I mean, this is like the, let me show you guys. They are stocked up. Like, this is it right here. These Lomi dishes, they are, I want to say they're 10 inches. Let me see how many inches they are. It doesn't say. But these are great for building your flowers. They're at least 10 inches, but these are great for your live flowers. And they are a good size. And these normally run you about $3 or $4 a piece. So I'm going to stock up on these for weddings as well. Okay, so these little sparkling rosé juices are really nice to have. Especially like if you're going to change out the label and put glitter on the top. I think those are super duper cute to have. Oh my gosh, these closed domes are everything. These would be great for displaying desserts, or some type of miniature figurine in it, or lights, or so many uses for these. These are adorable. On my way out of the door, I came across these Dollar Tree reusable shopping bags, and they had all of the princess on them. So I was super stoked about that. And you guys know I'm a huge fan of Dollar Tree sunglasses. So I always check the sunglass rack on my way out. All of these sunglasses came from the Dollar Tree. If you haven't seen that video, definitely go back and check it out and let me know which pair of sunglasses are your favorite. Also, speaking of past videos, this week I shared a home makeover, I guess a miniature home makeover bedroom tour, master bedroom and master bathroom tour. It turned out absolutely amazing. And if you guys want to see how I decorated that space step by step, be sure to go check out that video. I really had a great time doing it. I did an entire shopping haul sharing where I got all of the items that I use to decorate this home at. So definitely check it out, especially those of you guys who love West Elm or Restoration Hardware or the CB2 style. I absolutely fell in love with how the client pulled this all together. And my favorite aspect of it would probably have to be the artwork. I fell in love with it the moment I saw it. And I got it from Home Goods. And it was probably one of my favorite aspects of the room. And I do love the fact that this room was neutral. So you could change out a few things and have a totally different space. So this weekend, you guys, if you don't see me, just know that I will be somewhere relaxing and refreshing. Hopefully, I'll get some content filmed to share with you guys, but if not, be sure to go back and check some of my older content from this week, as I am always planning new content and new ideas for you guys. So let me know if there's anything specific that you would like to see me share coming up soon. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know down in the comments below the most unique event planning item you have ever found at the Dollar Tree. And if you would like for me to follow up with some more uncommon things that you can look for at the Dollar Tree as you build and buy your inventory for your event planning business. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you're not a member already of the Lux for Less family, I would love to have you here. All you have to do is click on that big red subscribe button and turn on your notification bell so that you will never miss out on an upload. You guys be blessed. Have an amazing weekend. And until next time, it's Melanie with Living Luxuriously for Less. Cheers.